And it's disgusting what the government is doing and what the police is doing. This is absolutely no way to behave. Tear gassing students, lathi charging students is not democratic. It's not India's way, and it is not the way this should be done.
आप सब जो सोनम सर के साथ जुड़े हैं, आपने तो हमें याद दिलाया कि हिम्मत हमेशा शोर मचाने से नहीं, कभी कभी शांति से और रिजॉल्व के साथ, दृढ़ता के साथ खड़े रहने में।
लेकिन अगर हुड़दंग करेंगे और वहाँ पे उत्पात मचाएंगे।
आज यहाँ जंतर मंतर पे हजारों बच्चे वहाँ पर आए हैं, वहाँ लाठी चार्ज हो गया है, गवर्नमेंट मारने की कोशिश कर रही है।
बच्चों में बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा है। मैं मोदी जी से कहना चाहता हूं कि बच्चों के गुस्से को संभालिए, नहीं तो ये आपके लिए बहुत भारी पड़ेगा। बच्चों के साथ बैठ के बात करो, हमारे बच्चे हैं।
Tear gas, lathi charge, high drama in the heart of Delhi. A stormy showdown as Parliament's monsoon session begins. That's right. July 20th, Monday morning was when the national capital woke up to a full-blown showdown. Thousands of students poured onto Delhi's streets. Metro stations were shut. Celebrities joined the movement. Political leaders traded sharp accusations. And as Parliament convened for the monsoon session, the streets outside became the center of one of the most dramatic protests the capital has witnessed in recent months. From Shabana Azmi and Prakash Raj standing with protesters, helping them break their fast, to chaotic scenes outside Parliament, metro stations, and a political war of words over CJP protests and police action. What started as a student-led movement quickly became one of the biggest political flashpoints of the day. So here's everything that unfolded during the Chalo Sansad protest in the national capital. The biggest celebrity faces at the protest were veteran actors Shabana Azmi and Prakash Raj. Shabana reached Jantar Mantar a day before as well and met students and protesters participating in the agitation. She also expressed solidarity with activist Sonam Wangchuk and those demanding accountability over alleged examination irregularities. On the other hand, Prakash Raj, who had earlier visited the protest site as well, returned once again. Both Shabana and Prakash Raj, along with other activists, appealed to the students to end their fast. In fact, on July 20th, Azmi personally offered them water to successfully break their strike. What's more, like I said, the duo had also visited the protest site a day before the Parliament march to show support. In fact, Shabana Azmi was also seen kissing protester Neha's hand lovingly as she was on a hunger strike for more than 20 days. The movement gained further attention after activist Sonam Wangchuk, who was on an indefinite hunger strike since June 6, was forcibly removed from the protest site and was taken to Safdarjung Hospital. Support to the protest as well as Sonam also poured in from several public figures on social media thereafter, and among them was, of course, actor Sonakshi Sinha, who shared this video expressing solidarity with Sonam Wangchuk and the students, saying she stood with their demand for accountability.
अपनी आवाज़ बुलंद रखिए, लेकिन अपना तरीका वही रखिए जो अब तक इस आंदोलन की सबसे बड़ी ताकत रही है। पीस, यूनिटी एंड रिस्पेक्ट, शांति, एकता, सम्मान, बस। हर नागरिक को अपनी बात सामने रखने का हक है, सवाल पूछने का हक है, और जब लोग बिना हिंसा, बिना नफरत, सिर्फ उम्मीद और विश्वास लेकर आगे होते हैं, तो उनकी आवाज़ और भी ज़्यादा मजबूत हो जाती है। आप सब जो सोनम सर के साथ जुड़े हैं, आपने तो हमें याद दिलाया कि हिम्मत हमेशा शोर मचाने से नहीं, कभी कभी शांति से और रिजॉल्व के साथ, दृढ़ता के साथ खड़े रहने में होती है। मैं युवाओं के साथ हूँ, छात्रों के साथ हूँ, हमारे संविधान के साथ हूँ और सबसे ऊपर हमारे देश के साथ हूँ।
That's not all. Actor Poonam Pandey also joined the CJP protest at Delhi's Jantar Mantar a day prior to Sansad Chalo movement.
मैं इतने दिनों से पूरा इंटरनेट, पूरा इंडिया गूंज रहा है, चिल्ला रहा है इस प्रोटेस्ट को लेके। जनता, ये बच्चे सिर्फ एक जवाब मांग रहे हैं
और मैं भी उसी चीज़ के लिए यहाँ पे आई हूँ और मैं जेन्युइनली गवर्नमेंट से रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि प्लीज़ इनकी सुन लीजिए। उन्होंने खाना नहीं खाया है। सोनम सर तो ऑलरेडी बीमार हैं। आई होप, आई प्रे कि वो ठीक रहे।
Now let's not forget the actual reason why this protest began in the first place. The protest organized by the CJP has been centered around demands for the resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan over the alleged NEET UG paper leak and other examination-related issues. There was no dialogue between the CJP and the government for the last 20 days, so as planned and announced by activists Sonam Wangchuk and Abhijit Dipke, Sansad Chalo movement was initiated for July 20th. As Parliament's monsoon session began, thousands gathered at Jantar Mantar before attempting to march towards Parliament. Security across central Delhi was tightened. Several metro stations including Patel Chowk and Janpath witnessed restricted access and temporary closures. At Rajiv Chowk, commuters found themselves stranded as entry and exit points were affected. Videos from different stations showed crowds waiting outside closed gates while many passengers looked for alternate routes to reach work. The protests quickly began impacting the daily routine of thousands across the national capital. As protesters attempted to move towards Parliament, they were stopped by security personnel near multiple barricades. Videos from the scene showed tense moments between protesters and police. Opposition leaders alleged that students were subjected to police action during the protest. The visuals of tear gas, lathi charge quickly went viral on social media, triggering widespread political reactions. Now, BJP MP Kangana Ranaut criticized both the protests as well as disruptions in Parliament. She said that a democratically elected government cannot be pressured through protests to decide who remains in office and argued that debates should happen inside Parliament.
चाहते हैं कि सत्र चले और जो है ये अपने प्रश्न जो है वहाँ रखे, लेकिन अगर हुड़दंग करेंगे और वहाँ पे उत्पात मचाएंगे और जैसे जिस तरह से ये प्रोटेस्ट भी चल रहा है तो वो ठीक नहीं है, क्योंकि जनता ने जिस सरकार को चुना है वो कैसे सरकार चलाएगी ये उनका अधिकार है.
On the other hand, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge raised the issue in Parliament, alleging that students protesting against the paper leak had faced police action and accusing the government of trying to suppress their voice.
आज यहाँ जंतर मंतर पे हजारों बच्चे वहां पर आए हैं, वहां लाठी चार्ज हो गया है. गवर्नमेंट मारने की कोशिश कर रही है, गवर्नमेंट दबाने की कोशिश कर रही है, गवर्नमेंट निकलने की कोशिश. नीट एग्जामिनेशन घोटाला, सर ये स्टूडेंट का मामला है जो लाखों बच्चों की जो भविष्य है उनके भविष्य के बारे में मैं बात कर रहा हूं.
Arvind Kejriwal and Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann weighed in too.
और सरकार इनके ऊपर पूरे अपनी दमन शक्ति इस्तेमाल कर रही है, लाठी चार्ज कर रही है, मार रही है इनको. इंटरनेट बंद कर दिया उधर, उनको संसद जाने से रोका जा रहा है. ये गलत है. युवा आखिर जाएं तो जाएं कहाँ? पहले आप इनके पेपर लीक करा देते हो, फिर पेपर दोबारा करा देते हो तो उसमें पूरा इवैल्यूएशन गड़बड़ हो जाता है. वो शिकायत पे शिकायत करते हैं, उनकी सुनवाई नहीं होती. आखिर बच्चे जाएं कहाँ? उनका तो आपने भविष्य बर्बाद कर दिया. अब जब वो आप अपने न्याय मांगने के लिए सड़क पे उतरते हैं तो आप उन पे लाठीचार्ज कराते हो. ये तो बिल्कुल सही नहीं है.
As political sparring continues, the images from Delhi's streets have ensured that the debate over examination reforms and accountability is now firmly at the center of the national conversation. Meanwhile, Sonam Wangchuk has also written to Safdarjung Hospital seeking permission to join the Parliament march and has requested Abhijit Dipke to break his fast in his absence. Behind the scenes, a high-level meeting between Home Minister Amit Shah and Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan also took place, while BJP President JP Nadda assured CJP leaders that a dialogue would be initiated. The protests may have dominated the streets today, but whether they lead to meaningful action is a question that will only be answered in the days ahead. I'm Dipali Patel and I will continue to bring you the latest on this. Keep watching Times Entertainment.